Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today in this video, we will see the mutable and immutable strings in Java. To understand the concept, the mutable and immutable, let us take one example. Suppose I'll declare one string S1 or simply S equals to Java programming. Now suppose if I want to concatenate this existing string with the help of concat method, concat dot sorry concat method, and suppose here I want to Java programming learning, and then I'll print this statement concatenated string by using the S object. And secondly, one more string I'll declare by using string buffer. String buffer SB equals to new string buffer inside the bracket. My name Venugopal, and I'm trying to append here whenever we are using string buffer, right, the string buffer class doesn't contain the concat method, it contains append method. If you observe in the drop down list, you will find the append method. The concat method and the append method both are doing the same task, that is concatenating the string. And suppose I'm adding here Narsingoju. Now check the output. This out as B. If I'll run this program, there are two strings. One string is declared by using a string class. Another string is declared by using string buffer class. Now, if you carefully observe, you might be expecting the output like the output here. It must be Java programming and immediately followed by what? Learning. This is what the expected output we all are guessing. And the second one is Venugopal Narsingoju. So let us execute this program. Run as Java application. Observe carefully. In the first string, when I've used s.concat, right, this learning is not added here. That means for this object, that is S object, the modification is not allowed here, right? Because in this S object, already Java programming is saved. Then I'm trying to add concat means what? Append the string at the last. So s.concat means expected output is what? Java programming learning, but it is not allowed to modify that particular string. So such kind of behavior, which is not allowed to change the object, it is called as immutable string. Immutable string means what? Modification is not allowed on existing object. Is not allowed on existing object. So such a string is called as what? Immutable string. So string class is what class? Is it a mutable or immutable? It is a immutable string because it is not allowing the changes, modifications. Whereas if you see this next string SB by using the string buffer, right? In SB, initially it contains Venugopal. Then using this SB.append, right? It is adding that second string exactly after this Venugopal. So you're getting the entire output. That means what? What is the conclusion? The conclusion is that if you're declaring a string by using a string buffer, it allows the modification to the existing object. So such behavior is called as mutable string, right? Why? Because modification is allowed on existing object. So that thing is called as a mutable string. So you can clearly differentiate between now string and string buffer. String is, it's an immutable string. That means the modification is not allowed, whereas string buffer class is a mutable string. Now let us consider here, for example, if I'll take one more string and suppose s1 equals to, if I'll do like s dot concat, and if I'll pass the same learning here, and if I'll comment this, right? What I did here, I've taken this another reference variable, not on the same object now. Okay, right? I'm not performing this s dot concat operator on the same object. I've taken the different variable, and here I'm printing that different reference variable. So can you guess now what will be the output? Will it be change or not? Let us check with the output. Now it is going to have that concatenation. But here still, you cannot say the string is a mutable, because here also this is not, we are doing on the same, we are not allowing the modification on the same object. We have taken the different object, right? Just update how to perform the what we can say the concatenation for the already taken the object, but we are not performing on the same object. We have taken the different object. I hope this clear. So this is what all about your mutable and immutable strings. We'll come up with some more videos in our next videos. Till then, bye bye.